fearless mode is crazy. बहुत तेज है, बहुत तेज है. Hello and welcome to another vlog. This is the XUV400, the electric version of XUV300. We are at Sirisha Motors, nearby Yeshwanthpur. What is this called? Rajajinagar. So today's vlog is going to be about the XUV400, the most awaited XUV400 here. So the electric version of XUV300. Let me not tell anything about more about what am I vlogging, what is not. So let's straight away pitch into what the vehicle is and let's go to the test drive. So come on, let's go. So as you can see, the vehicle tour starts as this. So this is the front bumper and this is how it looks. There are LED lights here, daytime running lights. There is this new badging of SUV Mahindra. This is how the side look is. And I'll show you the rear view of the vehicle. XUV400 की बैजिंग और महिंद्रा की लोगो. सो रिवर्स पार्किंग कैमरा और वन टच बूट ओपन. दिस इज द बूट स्पेस. 60/40 का सीट्स है, देख सकते हो. दिस इज द चार्जिंग किट. चार्जर भी दिखाऊंगा मैं. सो दिस इज द चार्जर गिवन बाय महिंद्रा. यही है. सो एक्सीकॉम का है ये. सो ये देख सकते हो, एसी चार्जर है घर का. सो यहीं पे है चार्जिंग का लिड ओपन करने का बटन. और एंड दिस इज टू ओपन द बॉनेट इन द फ्रंट. सो ये आप देख सकते हो. once I open this is the AC home charger. This is the DC direct charger, the combination of CCS2. Okay, so let's directly jump inside the vehicle. This is how the interiors are actually. तो यहाँ पे देख सकते हो infotainment system. This is the instrumentation cluster. These are the power window options given to us. Mahindra ki badging. And the gears are actually like this. So I'll be explaining a little bit more about the gears. There are 4 speakers. 1, 2 और ऐसे दिखता है cabin अंदर से. So you can see there is this vanity mirror and also the light here. Vanity mirrors, probably this is the top end model, probably is not here. They were near the driver's seat. This is an electronic sunroof. This is not the ventilated seats actually, but yeah, these are actually premium leather seats. काफी premium है look. If you see, these are the cup holders. Premium seats actually. And if you see the leg room here, I'm sitting in the center. I am 5'7". Proper leg room है और headroom भी है. If you see, yeah. So this is about the dashboard, the inside, how the vehicle looks, and almost the look and feel of the vehicle. So just to start with the key ऐसे दिखता है. Lock, unlock, boot open और Mahindra की badging. So let's just keep it here. There is 12-volt power supply. There is this I think this is the charging place. Like, I'll just show you. वायरलेस चार्जिंग प्लेस, और यहाँ पे कप होल्डर्स, और इसको ओपन करने से यहाँ पे भी जगह है, आर्मरेस्ट के जगह पे भी. सो लेट मी स्विच ऑन द व्हीकल. देयर इज वन start and stop button here. So this is the automatic climate control, AC on off, increase temperature buttons, सारा कुछ दिया गया है यहाँ पे. this is a this is probably this is a 6-inch infotainment system, or if you calculate this way, 7-inch infotainment system. So I'll just show you the gears before I'll tell you what it is. So अभी देख सकते हो कि ये पार्किंग में है, okay, and the handbrake is on. So you see here there is an option saying unlock, ठीक है. So I have to switch this, I mean click this unlock, और अभी ये ड्राइव पे आ गया. Then you cannot move it this way, I have to do this, और ये चेंज हो गया. तो आई विल गो अगेन टू ड्राइव, सामने करने से, ठीक है. न्यूट्रल पे आ गया, ये रिवर्स गियर. वंस आई पुट द रिवर्स, सो इट इज गिविंग मी द रिवर्स parking camera here. Again there is guidance line even in this, okay. And once you have to put it to parking, so it is, you have to click the P, okay, the parking is here, and then आप हैंड ब्रेक इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो. सो दिस इज़ अबाउट द गेयर्स, हाउ इट इज़ यूज्ड. और अच्छा है, अनलॉक के ऑप्शन है. वंस यू लाइक, आई थिंक वंस इफ आई डू लाइक दिस इट डजेंट वर्क. सो अगर बच्चे हैं, बैठे हैं, दे कैन मूव दिस, राइट. सो ऐसे ही अनलॉक नहीं होता है. यू हैव टू प्रेस दिस एंड देन ड्राइव, न्यूट्रल, रिवर्स, ठीक है, न्यूट्रल और पार्किंग. सो ये तो काफ़ी सही है. और इस पे भी इट इज़ शोइंग लाइक द ओडोमीटर इज़ एक्चुअली शोइंग 2150 kilometers डन. स्पीड is showing there on top. 73% of battery is actually remaining. और इस पे नहीं दिखा रहा है कि DT, that is distance to distance नहीं दिखा रहा है कि कितना किलोमीटर्स और दौड़ सकता है, that is how many kilometers can be driven. So that is not actually shown here. And one more thing, talking about the vehicle, this is the top end 39 kilowatt battery का है. और this is ARAI claiming 456 kilometers range. So just to give a briefing about the XUV400, ये तो it starts from 15.99, that is 15.99 to 19.19 lakhs. So that is about the vehicle details. So few more details to explain here, as one of our executive were explaining that this is the drive modes actually provided here, as there is no direct sports mode if you compare to the Nexon EV. Like यहाँ पे दिखाया गया है कि reverse, neutral or drive or parking. So here there is drive mode. So I'll just show you, like once I click here, how it changes. So अभी fast mode activated है. Let me zoom a little bit more. ठीक है, fast mode activated है. Next is fearless mode activated, fun mode activated. These are the modes in which you can drive. So let's go on with the normal mode. Probably this is the fun mode activated. So let's go ahead. So I've just fastened my seat belt. Let me just proper my seat adjustment. So yeah, so as I told you, come a little bit closer. So as I told you, this is how I unlock, and neutral पे आ गया, parking से unlock and click back, drive. So let's see how it is 310 न्यूटन मीटर का टॉर्क बोला गया है इसमें. So let's see how is the vehicle. So let's go. This today I think because this road is a national highway, so it has a lot of traffic here in, and so yeah, very comfortable and smooth in driving. मक्खन मक्खन के जैसे चल रहा है. I cannot even hear a little bit of sound from outside. Seriously, AC throw is great. Seriously great. और हम फन मोड में चला रहे हैं. Just to remind you a little bit about the mode. So the controls are seriously good. Horns are probably in the center itself. Yeah. So again, to share this, starts from 15.99 to 19.19 is the ex showroom prices. What I'm saying. ये कर्नाटका बैंगलोर का एक शोरूम प्राइसेस है. गाड़ी is like seriously like a makhan and a single pedal drive. I'll show you again. So here you can see acceleration and brake, and the left pedal is in the dead pedal. Just to say a few things about the vehicle. So you can see there is an elevation here. Let's see how does this pick up here. So I'm accelerating. Oh my god, this is I don't know. I don't want to say the figures in in this thing. I just want to check again and just put the figures over in the description, that 0 to 60 how much it takes and 0 to 100. I'm just testing this as soon as the vehicle came to the showroom. Crazy vehicle. The AC throw is great. And just to say about the colors, it's, I think, as sir told, gold, bronze, electric blue and black is available in this vehicle. So crazy. I think for a city drive, right? So whatever they are claiming in this 456 kilometers on a long version of the vehicle. So two vehicles hai, that is EC and EL. That is EC is the 34 point something kilowatt battery, and this is 39 kilowatt battery, 39.2 I guess. So these two are actually there. Very close competition to the rivals, as you already know. And one thing to say here, as this is a long version vehicle, fully loaded है गाड़ी. और एक चीज है, that is सिटी ड्राइव के लिए तो काफी सुपर्ब होगा. एंड as this is the same as the Nexon EVs or any electric vehicles is you can say the four wheelers or CCS2 charging slot which has given in this. उस पे अगर देखा जाए तो लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे आई थिंक दिस कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज्ड फॉर, अगर महिंद्रा का चार्जिंग स्लॉट्स आएगा फास्ट डीसी का तो वो भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ऑलरेडी देयर आर टाटास, सो इवन दैट वी कैन यूज़. थोड़ा खाली रोड है तो मैं मोड चेंज कर लूँगा यहाँ पे. सो दिस इज़ द फास्ट मोड एक्टिवेटेड. लेट्स सी. ओ दिस इज़ क्रेजी. थोड़ा सा दबाऊंगा तो भी this is going like crazy. So yeah, so let's drive in one more mode and just check, because 3 modes is what given here. Fearless mode activated. अभी तो सिग्नल है, देखते हैं इसके बाद how will it go. Okay, तो ये fearless mode है. And it's just the acceleration is picking up like anything. Seriously, like anything I can say. Oh my god. I think very soon comparison tag लगा दूंगा मैं ये गाड़ी को. This cannot be compared with its rivals or something like that, because I've been driving Nexon EV since a year now. और fearless mode is crazy. बहुत तेज है, बहुत बहुत तेज है. और one more thing to add here, तो this गाड़ी XUV400 is almost the same as XUV300's cabin, and this also Asia NCAP is given 5-star rated for safety purpose. Change this to L and start driving. The experience here is too smooth. I will just add in the description probably what is this mode. I have no much details on this actually, but I will include this in the description at least what it is, or just put comment below down or what is the L mode actually used in an XUV400. So yeah, so हम fearless mode से you can see the pull in fearless mode, but fearless mode से अभी normal fun mode में चले जाते हैं. I've put it in fun mode and then थोड़ा सा धीमे हो जाता है acceleration, it decreases a little bit, but yeah, city drive के लिए probably this is the this they have denominated a drive mode called as fun mode here, and the fearless mode, I think that you can use it in highways actually. So this was a crazy vlog. टेस्ट ड्राइव किया हमने XUV400 को in all the 3 modes, that is fun, fearless और फास्ट मोड. तो फन, fearless और फास्ट मोड में तीनों हमने कवर कर लिया इस गाड़ी पे. और एक चीज़ बताना चाहता हूँ कि it was a crazy vlog. So mainly we covered most of the things of the vehicle, and just to say गाड़ी बहुत तेज़ है, बहुत सही है. On road it varies from your state to state, but the vehicle pricing and details, if you see, the ex-showroom price is actually crazy about the vehicle. So comment below if you have anything which you have already test driven, or if you already have a vehicle and whatever range you're getting in the vehicle. So this vehicle is actually a long range vehicle which is claiming 456 kilometers for a 39.2 kilowatt battery vehicle here. मैंने सब कुछ कवर कर लिया ऑलमोस्ट इस व्हीकल में. तो so yeah, ending this beautiful vlog, saying sayonara to you. See you in another vlog very soon. Bye.